welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Halloween-themed cake, just in time for Halloween, so let's get started.
I start out with a 6-inch cake dummy and frost it with orange, vegan American buttercream. And I cleaned up the cake board. Then, with black buttercream in a piping bag with a round tip, I piped a star formation radiating from the middle. And, starting in the middle, I piped some curves towards the center, pointing toward the outside in layers. Once the spider web was finished, I piped a spider on one side of it. I piped a mound of black for the body, a smaller mound for the head, and 8 small legs angling off the sides. Then I tapped down any points from the buttercream. Then I piped a gate on the side of the cake and a line around the side, piping vertical lines to form a fence. Then I added another line near the bottom. I think wrought iron fences are quite spooky. So using only a single round piping tip and 2 colors of buttercream, we have made a cute little spooky cake for a Halloween party. Happy Halloween! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.